In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background effects on Microsoft Teams. This feature is perfect for both professional and personal meetings, giving you a revamped and polished look without the need for a fancy backdrop. Whether you're shielding your messy room from colleagues or simply wanting to add a touch of flair, these steps will guide you through the process. To kick things off, we're going to open your browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams. Once the results appear, locate the official Microsoft Teams link and click on it. This takes you to the home page where you'll either be prompted to sign in or, if this is your first time, possibly to sign up. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in by entering your credentials. After successfully logging in, you should see your list of teams and channels. Now, choose the team and the specific channel where you plan to hold your meeting. Once you're in the correct channel, look for the Meet Now button. Before proceeding, ensure your camera is toggled on. This is crucial since the background effect feature requires your camera to function properly. Next, click on the Background Effects option. This will open a sidebar where you can personalize your video background. Here, you have multiple options to choose from. You can select No Background, the blur effect, which gently softens everything behind you, or upload your own image. Alternatively, you might want to explore the dozen or so preloaded background images that Microsoft Teams offers. Take your time to scroll through these options until you find one that suits the tone of your meeting. Once you've made your choice, click on the desired background to see a preview. If it looks good, click Join Now to enter the meeting with your new backdrop. You'll find that the chosen background will remain in place throughout the meeting unless you decide to change it mid-session. Adjustments can be done at any point, offering flexibility to switch your background contextually as the meeting progresses. And there you have it. That's how you can easily and effectively customize your video call background in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you ensure a more controlled and polished appearance in all your virtual interactions. Whether you want to maintain a professional image or simply have fun with the various options available, Microsoft Teams makes it incredibly simple to alter your video backgrounds. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital communication experience.